about a week ago I got this lot of ash delivered, but before I get cutting into that I need to finish off on the older pile which is over there. So a quick look at this while we're here. Some big old round in there, look at that one, quite a chunky one. It's kind of, I can just about reach that one, so they're quite high up. It's a good one here, look at that. That's one I might try and get down and mill it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, just finishing off the older pile there. I actually set aside these logs here, which are let's get that in the shot. Yeah, those are chestnut logs, so I'm going to attempt to mill those at some point one day. Right, this is what we're cutting today, so let's get cracking. bit crazy windy today. I wanted to be working from this side of the pile because I've got a lot more space there, but the wind was blowing the sawdust right into my face in with the visor on, so I switched to this side of the pile and it was a lot better. I had a right awkward log down there, the last thing I cut. A couple of branches had gone into the ground and obviously it was all buried with sawdust. I'm going to go do that log up there next, mainly because it's kind of at the point where it could roll off. I don't want it to roll off, so I'm going to cut those, that one and the one underneath it, and then finish off these smaller ones down there. Lovely day other than the wind. Alright, got a couple of piles to load up. That one and that one there. Wind has actually got even worse. It was pretty bad then. I switched to my 550 for those last little bits. You might have noticed. Chain was a bit dull, though luckily there was only one or two bits to do, so let's get that all loaded up. Loaded, ready to go. If you're wondering what these orange dots are, when I had the new delivery I marked some of the logs on the end on the old delivery just in case the crane moved them. I knew which ones they were. It's got a few rounds left down there which I didn't manage to fit in, but yeah, all ready to go. So hope you enjoyed watching that. Catch you in the next one.